I'll give it. So the one mic
Okay, can we do the one-on-ones?
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Just one. Oh, Shweta. Just get the one-on-ones now. Electronic.
So thank you for being here, everyone. It's a real pleasure for me to be in Mumbai. We've just opened our store here, so I've had a very warm reception and welcome in Mumbai, which is a great privilege for us. And thank you, Blenders Pride Tour, for giving us this opportunity. Year after year, they've actually upped the style quotient and the level of expertise and experience they bring to the audience. So I'm very, very fortunate to be part of this. The collection that you see today is part of our 2014 and 15 fall collection. It's bridal. And I know that I look like a darzi compared to the gentleman here. So he looks like the groom and she looks like the bride. So I'm going to give the mic to him, and you please ask him what he thinks about this.
Thank you. The big names. I've heard their names. उनका आपका नाम भी बड़ा सुना हुआ है, आपका नाम भी सुना हुआ है, आज कपड़े भी देख लिए. मगर मैं पीछे बैठा था, मैं actual fashion show देख नहीं सका. But like I said, even on the stage, fashion in India, Pakistan has evolved big time. We can actually compete. We are competing with the world. So well done, guys. We're proud of you. जी यहाँ आके लगता है, मैं आज ही किसी को कह रहा था कि इंडिया जब मैं लैंड करता हूँ लगता है मैं दूसरे घर आ गया हूँ. जब वापस कराची जाता हूँ या पाकिस्तान जाता हूँ लगता है दूसरे घर आ गया हूँ. सो इट्स लाइक होम अवे फ्रॉम होम. आई फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल, आई फील वेरी वेलकम्ड हियर एंड आई एंजॉय एवरी बिट ऑफ इट. बहुत बहुत सबका शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा कि मुझे बड़ा कंफर्टेबल फील रखते हैं सारे यहाँ पे.
Thank you so much, and thank you Blenders Pride Fashion Tour for giving me yet another fantastic opportunity to showcase my clothes here again on this platform. Coming to your question, I think it's a philosophy that you follow. It's something that touches your heart. And when Blenders Pride said that the clothes have to be handcrafted and they have to be sensuous, when the first word that came to my mind was Marilyn Monroe. I said Marilyn Monroe is from Hollywood and Hamari Madhubala. So I decided to take a theme which is Marilyn Monroe meets Madhubala, in the sense that the structuring of the clothes is from both the worlds. And there is a lot of handcrafted ribbon work with Zardozi incorporated in it. And the 50s silhouettes, which have been used very subtly with the entire collection. So that's how I think the whole collection came together. You just need one word, like Blender said, sensuous, for an inspiration to come up.
Aditi, how do you feel Nita's outfit? Looking gorgeous. ऐसा लगता है कि मैं लखनऊ में बैठी हूँ. मुगल ड्रेस एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास, प्यारे कलेक्शन है, बहुत प्यारा है.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
Too many people talking.
Yeah, you can answer. You can answer the question,
Say that again.
Really light and it's very comfortable. What I love about it, of course, is that it's, I think, drawing from the 50s, sort of vintage, old world, very graceful. There's this whole thing of sensuality, the sheer fabric that's used. And I think Nita very rightly said it's like Marilyn Monroe meets Madhubala, and they're both such iconic actors and women and just everything. So I'm loving wearing this. I love this kind of style, you know that. So I'm really enjoying this.
Right. So, yes. So I've always believed that accessories tell the best stories. So when you see a wonderful woman beautifully dressed, but you see the quirky bag, or you see a quirky clip, or you see a quirky pair of glasses, or you see something interesting, I think the accessories always tell the best stories. And I'm very fortunate to work with Azwa for the jewelry, the necklaces, and the rest of that you saw was actually handmade in my studio itself. So we actually handcraft all those headgears, all those big, big earrings that you see and things like this. So for me, I think it's very important that when you do a show like this for Blenders Pride, and you actually want to be able to show your pride. So you want to do your best. So actually all of those pieces were made individually. Everything that you see here was handmade in the studio, one-off piece itself. So, and I think we do it for every collection, and almost every season we create something new and interesting for us. So it's something that I enjoy doing very much. So for me, just making the clothes is not enough. I want to be able to style the entire thing. So I want to do the jewelry, the hair, the makeup, everything. So I think that sort of completes the collection for me.
And obviously, the whole cricketing fraternity, after that, we realized it's very, very close to each other. And like I said, it was a very, very sad day for people in India, cricket-loving countries, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, especially in subcontinent. So our condolences to Australia and, of course, to Hugh's family. Ji, bilkul. Yeah, quite similar. Not exactly the same, but very similar. Same culture. Wedding season is starting now in Pakistan as well. So a lot of designers have been busy there. And I mean, when I see fashion shows even in Pakistan, I think they get inspired from here, vice versa as well. So again, it's very, very impressive. And this is part of our culture. You know, this sort of fashion is part of India, Pakistan, and always has been and always will be. And kudos to these guys who actually produce that sort of art.
Aditi, रोल है सबका अदिति बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है आज की
Thank you. इनके वजह से.
नीता तो हम जानना चाहेंगे क्या कुछ गेटअप के हैं आप उसके बारे में पहले कुछ जानना
नीता लुला का कलेक्शन इंस्पायर्ड है from Marilyn Monroe and Madhubala. It's I think they're the most beautiful, most iconic women, the most stylish actresses. And I'm very happy to be the showstopper for her today. It's the first time I'm working for her. It's the first time I'm working for the Blenders Pride Fashion Tour. And I absolutely love what she's made for me today. And I love her entire collection because it's got that very graceful, old world, vintage charm. और बहुत sensuous है, बहुत net use किया है. It's very subtle and very sensuous. And I think that's the most beautiful kind of dressing.
I think there are lots of designers, but what's something very special and unique you find about Neeta?
I think she needs no introduction. We have all grown up looking at the most beautiful stuff that she's created for the most beautiful actresses, and even in like the collection that I saw, जो मैंने आज देखा, it was just absolutely spectacular. So, I can't say enough about the work that she's done, and it's all so beautifully handcrafted and with so much thought, and it's so feminine and so sensuous, and at the same time so classy and dignified. So I think it's very beautiful.
Ask you what exactly fashion means to you. According to what is fashion?
Fashion is actually a really personal thing. It's not about following trends. It's not about the it colors, the in colors, about brands. It's basically about being unique, being yourself, enjoying wearing stuff that you put together, that you pick up. And I think fashion is more about being confident and about having a happy attitude towards anything that you wear, because you make it your own. You make something fashionable, not the other way around. I think it's the same. Style, you make clothes stylish. Clothes don't make you stylish. So it's a very personal thing. It's about being confident, and it's about being unique, and it's about being happy and enjoying what you wear.
Aditi, 2014 is coming to an end. Like, what have you to say about how was this year for you, and like any resolution for 2015?
You can choose or no answer.
This is not a personal question. Yeah, this is something. What is it? It's not something personal.
Okay, one last. Anyone?
Yeah. 2014, how was this year for you, and any resolution you plan and resolution?
Resolutions I'm not going to get to, but 2014 has been absolutely fantastic because I've done a lot of work with some incredible directors. I've worked on 5 films. And I'm looking forward to them releasing next year. It's been a year of many firsts with directors, with Blenders Pride, Neeta Lula, Wills. I'm not supposed to talk about that, but sorry, edit that out. But it's been great for me today, this year, and I've really enjoyed it, and I look forward to an even better 2015.
Aditi, Christmas wish and New Year wish if you can.
No.
And what is your...
Yeah, definitely.
I wish that in the new year I do even greater work. I walk for Blenders Pride again. I'm looking forward to my wish list of directors coming, sort of actualizing, and I think pushing myself, challenging myself to do even better and to do.
Thank you, sir. No person. Thank you.
Just a wish.
Yeah, I wish you all a very, very happy new year, and don't try and make any resolutions.
Great. Thank you.